Yeah, well, we got to guard better. Whatever lineups we have out there, it doesn't matter. We didn't do well with our big lineup for the most part. And, obviously, they got an all-star point guard out there that has a great chemistry with Pirtle rolling to the basket for his short flip shots and crashes. And, I thought we did a decent job trying to switch and blow up some of that action, but, just not good enough.
Was there enough stuff that happened today that you kind of felt like it was on?
Yeah, well, there's definitely still fighting us, and we're definitely still growing. I don't think that part has changed. Obviously, you want to get to 2 wins in a row. So no moral victories, with that, but our guys did fight.
Right, 97 all. How do you feel like they were?
I don't know. I mean, I got to look at the tape. We just had. I thought we had too many possessions where we forced at the rim. We had 19 assists. We have to play extra pass basketball. We know this is the best passing team in the league with their assist totals, and when we use that as a motivator to encourage our guys to play extra pass, no forced basketball. But we just had too many possessions where we forced at the rim. Yeah, he was engaged and really competed. He's taking charges out there and tried to fight with the rest of the group and tried to lead our group. We just fell short as a whole. We fell short. Obviously the fourth quarter is when he helps us the most, but we miss him throughout the whole game. And we have other guys who can do it. We just fell short tonight. Well, just incredible respect, for who he is as a coach, and we all younger coaches look up to him and admire him and respect what he's done and what he means to our game. So certainly happy for him. Wish it wasn't against us, but Pop's the best. No. Yeah, in Brooklyn, after the Brooklyn game going into Philly. No, we don't think it's that. We think we're hopeful that another day or two will get us back for the Houston, get him back for the Houston game. Yeah. We just fell short. We didn't get enough stops. They scored too many times on one-on-one situations. We fouled too much in the third quarter. I thought that was a big factor in the game. We gave 14 free throw attempts. And, we just didn't get enough one-on-one stops. I thought the switching, for the most part, was executed pretty well. A few breakdowns here and there, but didn't guard well enough one-on-one.
Recording stopped.